If you're walking through grief, whether fresh or long held, I want you to know that this is a safe space. You don't need to change anything about what you're feeling. You don't have to let go. You only have to be just as you are. Let's begin with a gentle breath in and a slow breath out. Again, in and out. Let this be your time. There's nowhere else to be, no expectations, and no pressure. Now bring your awareness to your body. Notice where it makes contact with the floor or the chair beneath you. Feel the weight of your body rested and supported. Let yourself feel held, not by effort, but by stillness. Now we'll gently scan through your body, starting from the top of your head down to your neck, just to feel any sensations that might arise in your shoulders, your chest, if there's tension, you don't have to force it away. Just notice and let your breath meet it. Now bring attention to your stomach and your hips. Down your legs, and finally to your toes. Let your body soften if it wants to. Grief has many shapes. It may feel like heaviness or emptiness. It might arrive as tears or silence, numbness. Whatever you're carrying, it's okay. If you feel safe to do so, silently name what your grief is about. A person, a moment, perhaps a part of yourself that you miss. Now imagine gently placing that grief in your hands, not to fix it, but to honor it, to hold it with tenderness, with patience and love. Now place this grief in your hand against your chest in a loving gesture. And bring awareness back to your breath. Inhale gently and exhale slowly. Each breath is a reminder that you are still here and that you don't have to carry this alone. If it feels right and safe to do so, imagine someone you love beside you. Or it perhaps is the presence of something greater, peace, spirit, or God, sitting quietly with you. No fixing, no hurrying. Just here and present. Grief has no timeline. You are allowed to take your time. You are allowed to feel deeply. You are allowed to feel joy too when it comes. And let your breath remind you that there is room for all of it. There is space for you to grieve gently in your own way. As we come to the end of this meditation, place one hand gently over your heart if that feels comforting. Breathe in and feel your body hold you. Breathe out and let go of any pressure. May you carry this softness with you, and may you find space to grieve and space to rest. And thank you for being here with River and Vine Mindful Living. And remember that you are not alone.